Hello, good morning. Hi, my name is Teacher Jane, and today we will learn a lesson. Okay, what is your name? All right, how are you today? And I hope you are doing fine. Okay, how are you feeling today? Do you feel like oh, sleepy or crying? It's all right. I know that before we have our lesson, you will feel happy. Okay, can you show me the happy face? Yes, that's it. Okay, very good. So we will start now. Okay, I will show you our lesson for today. I hope you are doing. Okay, can you show me your thumbs up? Good. All right. Okay, let me share my screen with you. Okay. Mhm. So we will start. Okay, we have here your new lesson. Okay, let's have here. Okay, we will choose first the color. We will have green. Okay, we will start our class. All right. Unit 1, clever idea. Okay, do you have any clever idea? Yes? Great job. Okay, so we will start now. And these are our goals for today. Okay, right. The big idea. All right. Okay, how can we challenge and bring out our best? Okay, we will also read some stories, the dragon problems. Okay, we will make also predictions and sequence. All right. Okay, we will learn about grammar, okay, writing, and also we will have your homework. All right. So, wow, what can you say about this? All right. So we will have the big idea. Can you repeat after me? Big idea. Okay. So every day, what can you say about this? Yeah, your classmates in school. Do you have any classmates in your school? Yes, all right. And of course, the mess. Okay, the mess in your room. Okay, do you also have mess in your room? How do you take care of it? Okay, you clean. All right. And our test. Okay, that's why we have to study. Okay, so that we can answer our test. And of course, the problem that we have when we play, right? Okay, so let's start. Yes? Okay. Ooh. Can you read this one, please? Thank you. Very good. Where do good ideas came from? Okay. People can come up with good ideas and different. Okay. First, can you follow? Brainstorming. Brainstorming. Okay, repeat after me. Brainstorming. Okay, very good. Okay. Or watching others. Watching others. You call that observing. Observing. Okay. Or just by accident, right? Okay, just by an accident. Okay, so example here. Kindly read this one. Very good. Thank you. A young boy invented popsicles when he accidentally left a stick in a cup of juice, and it got cold overnight. The next morning, he found a popsicle. Wow, exciting, right? Okay, that's just by an accident, and you discovered the popsicle. Okay, great. All right. How do you usually come up with the ideas to solve problems? Anything? Would you like to share? Yes, great job. Very good. That's it. Okay, so let's have here the key, okay, vocabulary. Can you follow? Key vocabulary. Okay, so we have here brainstorm. Brainstorm. Can you repeat after me? Brainstorm. Okay. To brainstorm means to solve problem by having the ideas, or group of members to give ideas freely. Okay, example. What can you see here? Okay, they are sharing some ideas by post-it notes. Do you also do that? Okay, with your classmates? Yes, exactly. Just like the boys here. The boys began to brainstorm ideas for their project. Okay, do you also brainstorm? Now, can you follow? Project, project. Okay. And all right, we also have other ways to use word, right? Okay, example. Kindly read, please. All right, thank you. Okay, my class brainstorm ideas together before writing. Okay, brainstormed, brainstormed. Okay, and also we have brainstorming. Brainstorming on a mind map is a good way to think ideas. All right, so that's what we are going to do. Again, we have brainstormed and brainstorming. All right. Okay. Next one. Okay. Another key vocabulary or another word. We have, follow, repeat after me. Flattened. Flattened. Okay. So what do we mean when we say flattened? Flattened means made flatter or more level or smooth. Okay. Can you repeat after me? Very good. Okay, one more. Flattened. Okay. Flattened means made flatter or more level of smooth. Okay. So just like what we have here in the picture, the dough. Okay. Joy or Jess enjoyed rolling out of the flattened dough. Okay. So flattened, flattened, dough, dough, rolling, rolling. Okay, very good. Okay, we also have other ways how to use words. Okay, example. Okay, kindly read this one. Okay, thank you, very good. He was flattened boxes by stepping on it with his foot. Okay, flattened, flattened. All right, stepping, stepping, very good. Okay, next. Place the cookies on the pan and flatten them with your hand. Okay, you have to repeat after me. Thank you. Okay, flatten, flatten. Okay, and the next one, we will have, okay, the last one, okay, for tonight's lesson. Okay, we have frantically. Okay, frantically. Follow, repeat after me. Frantically. To act frantically means to act wildly excited due to worry or fear. Okay, so that's what we mean when we say frantically. Can you repeat, please? Thank you. Frantically. Okay, very good. Wildly, wildly. Excited, excited. Worry, worry. Fear. Okay, can you show me when you are fear or afraid of something? This is your fear face. Okay, just like the dog here. Okay, can you read the sentence? Thank you. The dog was frantically digging up the sand. All right. Or in other ways to use the word, okay, we have here. Okay, I'll read first and then you follow. Okay, all right. When I saw the snake in the grass, I was frantic to get away. Okay. When I saw the snake in the grass, I was frantic to get away. Frantic, frantic. Okay. Can you read it? Thank you. All right. Last. Okay. When she saw the accident, Paulina accidentally tried to find her phone to call the police. Okay, accident, accident. Paulina, frantically, frantically. Tried, tried. Okay, police, police. All right, so that would be all. Okay, for today's lesson. And we will have it tomorrow the other pages. Okay. Thank you so much. And you are a very good student tonight. All right. I will see you again tomorrow. But before that, because you are very good, let me give you this watermelon popsicle. All right. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you so much. All right. Bye-bye. See you again tomorrow. Okay. Bye-bye.